Window film is a simple yet sophisticated way to bring style into your home. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing window film featuring a printed design. Roll the film out on a clean, flat surface. To peel away the film from the backing sheet, use 2 small tabs of masking tape and stick these onto the corners of the window film. When peeling away the film, we recommend 2 people work together, as this will prevent the film from folding and sticking to itself. Once the backing sheet has been removed, spray the film so it's entirely covered, and then spray the glass. Take the film to the window, ensuring it is kept taut. Allow the film to flow onto the glass and slide it into position. Spray the back of the film and use the plastic card supplied with your order to push out any bubbles to the edges. It is important you start from the top and that the film doesn't move. This process can be repeated again to ensure all water is removed. Finally, wipe off any remaining water from the film and frame, being especially careful around the edges not to lift the film.